Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our General English class. We have started learning about tenses. So, we learnt what a tense is and various types of tenses, along with it, subtypes. Do you remember what we learnt? We will revise in detail regarding each and every tense, and we will also learn about the other forms of tenses which were pending. Now, what is a tense? Tense play a crucial role in English language. It denotes the time of an action takes place, whether something is in past, is in present, or will take some time in future. So, what do you understand by tense? Tense tells us about the time of action. When an action is taking place, that is determined by tenses. Okay? Now, there are three types of tenses, that is past tense, now means present tense, and future tense. Past tense tells us about the action which has already taken place. Present tense tells us about the action which is taking place, and future tense tells us about the action which will be taking place and has not yet taken place. Okay? Now let us have a look on the given chart. Here there are formulas of making simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Simple present, past and future tense are also called as present indefinite tenses, past indefinite tenses, and future indefinite tenses. If anyone asks you what is simple present tense and what is present indefinite tense, do not get confused. Both are the same. Okay. Now, here, firstly, we will see the formula. And students, you are supposed to learn this chart very thoroughly. You have to take a printout of it and stick it in your general English notebook also, and you're supposed to learn this chart fully. Unless and until you learn this chart, you'll not be able to understand the formation of tenses. So let us today learn about only present tense, and then we will move ahead to the next two tenses. Okay, so that is simple present tense or the present indefinite tenses, which are the same, has verb plus s or es, verb or do or does plus verb. Okay, so what do we use in simple present tense? We put s or es with the verb, or we use do or does. अब ये हम कब use करते हैं, that also you are knowing, because we have already learnt about the pronouns, that is personal pronouns, first person, second person, third person. Yes, we have learnt about it. फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन और प्लूरल होगा तो क्या आएगा, डू आएगा और एस और ई एस नहीं लगेगा. थर्ड पर्सन और सिंगुलर होगा तो डज आएगा और एस और ई एस भी लगेगा. लेकिन एस और ई एस डज होगा तो एस और ई एस नहीं लगाना है, एस और ई एस होगा तो डज नहीं आएगा. सो दैट ऑल थिंग्स यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. विल मेक अ पॉइंट आउट ऑफ इट, एंड ये सब आपको रिमेंबर करने की चीज़ें हैं. यू हैव टू लर्न इट वेल कि भाई when we are supposed to use s or es, when we are supposed to use do, when we are supposed to use does. Now you have present continuous tense. Whenever there is a continuous form of the tense, you should always remember that there is ing in it. Okay, so present continuous tense has is, am, are plus ing form of the verb. Like is for singular, he is writing, she is writing. We is for plural, we are writing. Okay, जो जब भी प्लूरल आएगा तब आपको आर लगाना है. दे आर राइटिंग, 2% से ज़्यादा होगा तो हमेशा आर आएगा. एंड आई is used with am is used with I. Okay, I am writing, I am eating. So whenever there is a ing form of the verb, it is the present continuous tense. Understood? What do you understand, students? Simple present tense or present indefinite tense, we add verb plus s or es. We use do or does. You need to understand the first person, second person, and third person. So you will be easily able to understand where to use s or es and where to use do or does. Okay. Now in the present continuous tense, you should always have ing form of the verb. Okay. is, am, are plus verb plus ing is the formula. ये learn करना है आपको. Okay. Then you have present perfect tenses. Present perfect tenses, you have has or have plus V3 form of the verb. V3 form of the verb means ED form of the verb. Has for singular, have for plural. One person होगा तो has आएगा, more than one होगा तो have आएगा. Okay? I के साथ हमेशा have आता है. I have done my work. I has done my work कभी नहीं आता. ठीक है? देन यू हैव प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में क्या क्या लगता है? हैज़ और हैव प्लस बी डब्ल्यू एन बीन प्लस वर्ब प्लस आई एन जी. दिस इज़ द फॉर्मूला एंड यू हैव टू लर्न इट थरली. ये पूरा बाय हार्ट होना चाहिए. देन ओनली विल बी एबल टू डू डायरेक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट एंड एक्टिव पैसिव. ओके. So now let us revise all the formulas of present tense. Okay, simple present tense, which is also called as present indefinite tense, we use verb plus s, verb plus es, or do or does form of the verb. Okay, next one is present continuous tense. The present continuous tense has the formula is, am, are plus verb plus ing. Okay, then present perfect tenses you have has or have plus V3 form of the verb. Present perfect continuous you have has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. So these all four formulas you are supposed to learn in order to understand present tenses. Always remember, has is used for singular, have is used for plural. Similarly, do is used for plural, does is used for singular. Okay, and whenever you have continuous tenses, you will always have ing form of the verb, and V3 form of the verb is the past tense form of the verb. Like play, played. Played is the V3 form. Okay, students? That's all about the tenses. Now let us revise personal pronouns, which we have already learnt from our general English textbook. Okay, in the grammatical sense, a personal pronoun is a pronoun that is related mainly to particular person. Personal pronouns are not limited to people and can refer to animals and objects also. That means it is not just used for people, it can also be used for animals and objects. Okay, personal pronouns. First person, I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. First person, second person, third person. First person, I, me, we, us. Second person, you. Third person, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. ये भी आपको पूरा लर्न होना चाहिए, तभी आप प्रॉपरली टेंसेस के सेंटेंसेस फॉर्म कर पाओगे. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन सम अदर चार्ट. दिस इज tenses chart when we are supposed to use these pronouns. Suppose if it is I, it becomes was in the past tense, it becomes am in the present tense, and it becomes will be in the future tense. Similarly, we is plural, right? We becomes were in past tense. In the present tense it becomes are, एंड इन द फ्यूचर टेंस इट रिमेन्स विल बी. फ्यूचर टेंस की कोई मगजमारी नहीं है, सब में विल बी लगता है. ठीक है, बट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस और प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस और पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में वॉज और वर, एम और आर, ईज, वो सब लगता है. तो आपको ये चार्ट भी लर्न करना है कि भाई पास्ट टेंस में अगर आई होगा तो उसका क्या हो जाएगा? वॉज. वी होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? वर. यू होगा तो भी वर. दे होगा तब भी वर. ही सिंगुलर है इसीलिए वॉज आएगा. शी was आएगा. it was आएगा. Okay, similarly in the present tense, I becomes am, we becomes are, you becomes are, they becomes are, he becomes is, she becomes is, it is. So how we are using it? I was working, we were working, you were working, they were working, he was working, she was working, it was working. And in the present tense it becomes I am working, we are working, because we is more than one तो आर आएगा. जब भी more than one होगा तब आर लगेगा. ठीक है. You are working, they are working, he is working, she is working, it is working. Now in future tense, I will be working, we will be working, you will be working, they will be working, he will be working, she will be working, it will be working. Okay students, hope you understood this. Learn this chart also, it's very important how to use, when to use and what to use while framing sentences in a particular tense. You will require all these information, so you need to learn these charts very well. Okay students, that's all for today students. You need to learn the charts which I have told you. Learn about simple present tense, about future tense and past tense we will be learning later. Fine, you need to learn it well. Also prepare for your exams which are upcoming, and also keep your notebooks and essay notebook completed, because there will be a checking very soon. That's all for today. See you all very soon.